Yo, what's up? Yeah, because you told me. Yeah, probably I did run that little, comparison between the VCA compressor against the DVX 160 because you told me. So let's go now to Pro Tools. All right, so because of that, let's check it out now. This is gonna be a better comparison, okay? Because on the first one, like I said, in one of the replies I did, I said like, yeah, I know, probably I am making this wrong because I was using the makeup filter, the auto drive, because I was more deeply talking about the VCA compressor itself. And then I was realizing, hey, wait a second, but this is a DBS compressor, so let's see just a little bit how it sounds. And then you guys told me, no, that sounds muddier. Muddier. The other guy told me, no, you know what? I forgot your names, but you will see your names here, there, okay? So and then another viewer said, hey, but you're doing this wrong because you are supposed to do it as factory default and then only using the compression ratio and then output. You know what? You're right. When you ask nicely, yeah, let's do this. Okay, so let's compare these two guys, okay, on drums, bass, and vocals, and that's it, okay? Because like I said before, me personally speaking, I don't like this compressor on the master bass, okay? By the way, the master bass is all, no, I don't have any plugins. The Fusion and my master bass processor are in bypass, so it's just this. It's just the compressor. By the way, if you see some plugins here, it's just for just a little bit of EQ. When I talk about that 1084 by universalaudio, it's still there. It's the same settings for the last session. The same reverb, nothing crazy. I have only a little bit of EQ and compressor on the kick snare. Compression in the, what the hell is this? Sorry. In the front mic, this is a cool mic technique. I talk about this, so let's go. If you want to know about it, so go to the video. And same here for the wall mic. There's another one. I have another video talking about this. So go to my channel if you want to learn some cool tricks and therefore recording drums if you have like a small room like I have.
That's what she said.
Okay, so I will not talk and you'll be the judge, okay? So let's start with the drums. Let me organize this better. I'm in group. Yeah, cool. So let's start with the drums. Let's wait for the drums coming up, okay? Now let's check out the drums with the whole mix. right, let me stop this. To me, here in my control room, I still feel a DBX on drums, just in case on drums, okay? On drums sounds no muddier. Both sounds good. But yeah, the compressor sound, I mean, the VCA compressor by Softube have more emphasis on the high end, just a little bit. So sounds like a little more shiny than the universal audio version, but it's just matter of taste, it's whatever you want. So now let's more forward. Let's bypass these two guys and let's forward to the bass. Okay. Wait for it. Just in case, here I using the radio, that 3.1 radio. Okay. Now listen in the whole mix, okay? More bass here. All right, yeah, the tone is different. Here, in some parts of the song, I feel that 160 is muddier than the Softube, but it's hard. It's like it's two different kind of tones. Sometimes I feel the minor, sometimes not. But yeah, I still feel the Softube VCA compressor have more. The top end is easily more shiny, in the bass. Okay, so now let's move to the vocals.
Putrid carcass, lying stiff in a morgue. Mortician, who sits a corpse.
Okay, that's enough, I guess. Let's listen to the whole mix. Let's wait until the comments coming back. In the meantime, enjoy the music, okay? Yeah, on vocals, definitely now I can tell the 160 is muddier. Yes, it's way that muddiness. I can feel it way more in the vocals than the other things. By the way, I didn't use this on the guitars because the guitars is already compressed in natural way. So I mean, just speaking, when you record heavy tone guitars like at this band, me personally speaking, I don't need a compressor. Some producers out there, yeah, they use a compressor, but me personally, it's like an overkill move. I mean, but yeah. But now let's do this a little bit more forward. Let's listen in the whole mix. Okay, so I'm going to bypass the whole VCA compressor Softube and then use it, and then the same with universal audio 160. Okay, in that way you can listen in the whole mix, in the whole context, how it sounds. Enjoy the judge. You can buy whatever you want. Okay, too late for me because I already bought that one. And before continue, please don't forget to subscribe, to give me a like or dislike, to comment too, because like I said on my last video, thank you. Now yes, we are, because I can't make this without you guys, but we are now over 1,000 subscribers.
Nice.
Cool. So close to get that monetization level. Please help me with that. So share this, comment, like, because that's gonna help to algorithm to the algorithm. Sorry if I pronounce that word bad, because in Spanish it's way more easy. It's algoritmo, but in English I guess it's algorithm. Okay. Anyway, so oh my God, I know where is my mind going. So sometimes. Please don't do drugs.
You take drugs or alcohol?
What is drugs?
But yeah, so if, like I said, if you help me with likes and also comments, the algorithm is gonna say to YouTube, this video is cool, and then do it show to more people, because I need more views to get that kind of level. But yeah, so like I said, let's go listen this in the whole thing and just pay attention to the pointer of the mouse, okay? And by the way, the band is Night Hand, awesome band. Two members of this band have another band, is grindcore. If you follow me on my Instagram, you already saw the reel. If not, check this out. Remember, this is in the whole mix. Drum, bass, and vocals, right? Just wait for it to the music coming up. Okay, that's enough. I'm pretty sure that's enough for you guys, like understand and listen the difference between these two. Now, this is me personally speaking. Okay, I mean, I'm just a guy in YouTube. That's it. Okay, so uh me personally speaking, these are the difference. Okay, so yeah, it's like the Softube version. It's like the modern version, sound less muddier, but the DBS have like a sounds to me. This is to my ears. Okay, these have like a little more distorted. Maybe that's the reason when you listen just in one group, vocals or drums or bass, sounds muddier. But when you listen in the whole thing, because remember, this is a nice advice. You have to mix, okay, in the overall. You don't have to mix track by track, because in track by track sounds pretty good. What you're doing when you add EQ, compressor, or effects. Oh yeah, this kick sounds amazing, this and that. And then when you put in the whole thing, hey, wait a second, but that sounds bad. So you have to. So if you're doing that, you have to relearn to mix it in the whole thing. How? Without the solo. Yeah, press solo for a little bit. Listen, okay, that sounds good. Sounds better than before. And solo, and continue mixing will, and in conjunction with the whole song, with the whole album, because the people will listen to the whole thing, not just the kick or the snare. Okay, but like I said, going back to where are we talking right now? So yeah, it's like the 160 sound a little more old school, and the VCA sounds more modern. I like both, and then yeah, we changed what it say before. I like it. Now I really like it because, for example, if I want to mix a band who wants to sound a little modern and not that dirtier, probably using the Softube. Now, if you wanna record a band and then no, dude, we want to sound super ignorant, very mean, I will use the DBX 160 just for that, because it's like a give me that vibe. But yeah, but like I said, I'm just a guy here in YouTube talking about these plugins. That's it. I'm nobody. Okay, so but yeah, so that's you. I mean, that's all for today. I hope you really like this video. I hope you guys to put me on the comments. I hope this video is gonna be better for you, and for the people who thinking, and then let me go any comments, just yeah, that's for you two guys, but yeah, that's all for today, and don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe, to share this comment, and yeah, bye guys, yeah.